Friends, how it is important the electronic invoice for the entrepreneur and the business owner. You just look at through this example that how government has introduced the first time the electronic invoice in 1st October 2020, and the turnover limit was 500 crore. I mean more than 500 crore electronic invoice was applicable. Nobody was expecting at that point of time that the limit would be reduced from 500 crore to 20 crore in the 1.5 years. Nobody was expecting. Now see the government intention, government commitment. Government is very committed. They need the revenues. And from where the revenue would become, they know very well. And it is because of that the government is implemented the electronic invoice for the taxpayer whose turnover is 20 crore, I mean more than 20 crore. So the limit from 500 crore to 100 crore, then 100 crore to 50 crore to 20 crore. Now 4 times the electronic invoice turnover has been reduced. Now it might be possible that in next 1.5 years the turnover limit from 20 crore to 5 lakh would also be possible. What the government intention is to cover all the transactions, all the entrepreneur, the business owner. Make sure that what you are doing for your business. If you see the GST collections for the month of March, you would be surprised, around 1,68,000 crore. This is because of revenue has been increased? No, not at all. Yes, to the extent because March month is the last month of the financial year, so every entrepreneur and the business owner is trying to capture as much as possible the invoices and as much as possible the invoices issuing to the customer. But the real factor for increasing the GST collections 1.68 lakh crore is something different. What is that? This is because of how the government is creating the control mechanism in GST, electronic invoice, and that restrictions of input tax credit. This is how the beautiful mechanism that government has created. Please understand, doing the business is very easy for the entrepreneur and the business owner, but managing the tax compliance is difficult for them. Now, if you are not managing the tax, you will be loose to your business. You will not able to run your business in a longer point of time. This is how the intentions of the government is that if you are honestly paying the tax, managing your books of account correctly, paying the tax and filing the returns timely, you will be able to run your business smoothly. Government has kept the restrictions here that if you are continuously failing to file the GSTR1, you will not able to file the GSTR1 for the next period. Even you are paying the tax to the government through the GSTR3B and you are not filing the GSTR1, you will not able to pay the tax after 2 months. So in every corner the government is creating the control mechanism. Now is it the problem for the entrepreneur and the business owner, or something government is trying to keep the learning to the entrepreneur and the business owner? What you are thinking about this? Now see from your entrepreneurship journey, but one thing is very clear, that government interest here is that if you are not complying with the compliance, then you are not able to run your business for a longer period of the time. Whether you are under the electronic invoice applicability or in a normal taxpayer, you have to make sure that you are fulfill the compliances, what is the requirement as per the law, and that would help you to provide more opportunity. This is how important for the entrepreneur and the business owner. GST has just celebrated the 4th year. The 5th year is going on. The 50 year or 5 year, how many years it would be go, you do not know, I don't know. But one thing is very clear, that if you are doing your business with an objective of short term, that yes, today we have to fulfill the GST norms, tomorrow let us see. If that kind of a statement, if that kind of understanding is coming in your mind, then gentlemen, please stop your business and start to do something, because without GST, if you are running your business, without complying the GST, if you are running the business, you will not able to run your business in a longer period of time. I'm insisting so many times here that you will not able to run your business for a longer period of time, because I see that many of the entrepreneurs have served their business because of the GST. They are trying to change the PAN number, taking a new GST number, and many more things they are doing because they are evading the tax more. Now they are becoming tired that how many GST number, how many times we have to change. So instead of focusing on the GST and the changes in GST registrations and PAN registrations, focus on your business and filing the returns timely, complying with the tax return. It would give you the more peace and keep you more healthy to run your business effectively and efficiently. This is how the important part here is. Because goods and service tax and electronic invoice is the vehicle for the government to increase their tax base, to increase the revenues of tax in their treasury. They are very clear. If you see in this budget, the GSTR returns, matching, reconciliations, it was completely out. Now through the GSTR 2B, now restrictions of ITC that I will share with you in detail. But now how government is committed to provide to the business owner and the entrepreneur to avail the input tax benefit of those who only whose tax the government has finally received. So let you please understand that how government is trying to create a system, and if you are not able to understand this system, then you are not able to run your business will be in a shorter period of the time. You will be not able to create more interest. So understand this, apply to your business, increase your customer base, the revenues base and overall growth with complying with the good and simple tax, goods and service tax. This is Sajan Singh signing out. Until we meet again. Thank you. Thank you very much.